Hey guys, today I'll be trying the famous and trending Dalgona coffee and share my experiences with you. Let's go. So guys, this is the first look of my coffee. As you can see, it is quite shiny and smooth, but it doesn't hold texture. It is not quite whipped, but then when mixed with milk, it gives a great taste of cold coffee. So guys, as you can see, even after whipping my coffee for about 25 to 30 minutes, my coffee doesn't hold shape. Now this is because of some errors in the quantities I took, but at the end I get a good cup of coffee. But finally I decided to give it another try. So here I am guys, trying the Dalgona coffee, giving it a second attempt. Hopefully this time I succeed. So guys, I'm back again with my mixing bowl, this time making sure that I make no mistakes. So here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder and I'm adding in 2.5 tablespoons of regular granulated sugar. I have increased the quantity of sugar as I don't like bitter coffee, and besides that, sugar also helps to form air. I have also added 2 tablespoons of hot water, just enough to cover the coffee and sugar. Remember, we don't need boiling water, we only need hot water just to dissolve the sugar. We start whisking it for about 10 to 15 minutes. As we keep mixing, the color of the mixture turns lighter and the mixture also turns fluffier. These air bubbles are a sign that the air is being absorbed into this whipped coffee. As you can see here, our mixture is turning lighter and fluffier. It is becoming thick and it has started to hold shape. So this is the desired consistency and texture. It has started to hold shape. Now I'll stop whisking it further. Wow, I'm glad. Finally I managed to make this whipped coffee. Now we'll assemble it. In glass, I have added 2 ice cubes. But my personal take is that you should avoid ice cubes. You can either use chill milk or you can make the glasses and then chill the milk. The basic idea being we should avoid water. Now I'll pour 2 tablespoons of my coffee mixture upon these glasses. This mixture can easily make us 4 glasses of Dalgona coffee. Any mixture left over which is not to be used immediately can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. I'll just even out the top layer with the back of a spoon. This gives me really a very good look. Besides that, you can sprinkle the top with some coffee powder or some chocolate powder. So guys, as you can see, my Dalgona coffee is ready. It's not at all difficult, but very yummy and delicious. So do try it out and let me know your experiences through the comment section below. And hey, before going, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to receive the notifications. Also, do like and share my video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.